Panda. Panda. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Drop those GMs in the chat and scalp that like button because we're just getting started, pandas. Goodness gracious. Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, pandas, pandas. I mean, we're ready to rock and roll here. We are ready to absolutely rock and roll. Currently trading range here. I actually want to mark this one, the Globex, gap here. I already have it marked. All right, let's keep it on here. Very important, this gap. Are we going to get there today? I have no clue. Are we going to actually get there today? Who knows? Let's find out, shall we? All right. What am I assuming today? Got two bear bars now. We got a double top on the daily chart, closing above 20 May. So all things are confusing. I think the market's still in trading range. We got this bear bar here. It could be the start of a bear trend. These two bear bars here could be the start of a bear trend. And I don't know, pandas. Like, it could be. It could be. I mean, this bear bar here has enough force to create another leg down. This is a daily chart. So I'm using this daily chart to figure out what might happen today. Like, can I predict the next candle? And I think, depending on how we trade, we can trade into this wick here, just creating a bear trend day today. We shall see. But until then, we are in a trading range. Big up, big down, and then we'll see if we get another big up. Currently, we have a quad bottom off the overnight lows. And I think we basically closed yesterday on the weekly close, last week's close. So all in all, we're like, on the week, we are basically creating a doji bar on the weekly, right? This is the weekly chart. That's a doji bar. And you can see because we're closing near where we closed on last week. Market's about to open in 1 minute. Check those GMs in the chat. Pandas, we're absolutely killing it in our accounts right now. Absolutely killing it. We're up about 10,000 on most of our accounts. I requested payouts on 15 accounts. And there are 5 accounts I cannot yet request payouts on because they're not high enough. Pandas? No voice? Check, check. Let me know if you hear me. Steven Hinkle, good morning. Stone Cold Steve, good morning. Scruffy, good morning. Tath, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Luis, good morning. Microphone check. Do I have sound? Gonna reload historical here. Market just opened. I mean, you're thinking you're gonna test this, but big down, big up, big down. Obvious test of the previous week's close. Just sitting on my pause here. Another push up. Okay. Test the previous week's close right there. Another leg up. Fill the gap here on this leg up. Let's push up. Lots of overlapping bars. Just watching. I'm going to reload historical very quickly here. Perhaps second entry short, we'll see. Or second entry long. Or look like you're trying to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart, but golly, it's struggling. All right, thanks. I appreciate the confirmation. Thanks, everybody. So right now, I'm trading only 5 accounts, and the reason being is because those 5 accounts, I need to get them to Payout City. I need to make about $600 more, pandas. I need to make about $600 more to get to Payout City on the rest of my accounts. And so my thought is this, is that if I get denied my payouts, I can hurry up and get them denied, and so I can start my next 8 days where I'll trade in a way where I can like guarantee a payout. Just trade very, very conservatively. And let's see here, second entry long. I'm interested in a long trade here.
2,500 tick trap.
Let's see, pandas. I think we got something going on here. I'd like to fill the gap here if I can.
Target filled.
Easy peasy. And we're done. Let's just end the day right there. I think I'm in Payout City on all my accounts. I think so. Let me see. Definitely in that one. I gotta double check. There might be one account. Let me see. I think I'm a Payout City on all my accounts now. Just needed that nice little pop up there to fill the gap. All of them should be. The only one in question might be this one account. Let's see.
2,500 tick trap.
3179. Okay, I have one account. I still need to make like $100 in. I guess I'll keep trading. I gotta make $100 more here, and then we're good. We should be fine. Question: $100 is harder than it looks. No, $100 is harder than it looks. Gold is flying. Actually. $100 is harder than it looks, to be honest. So right now, I need to make $100 more. 571, not bad. It's so early. Woo. 571, not bad. It really is not. Again, pandas, my main goal is to get a payout right now. I want to get a max payout across 20 accounts, but the question is like, did I pass? That's the thing about Apex. I hate it. Like, the question is like, did I pass? Did I not break any rules with Apex where they're going to deny my payout? I just don't know. Like, I wish I could know, because there's some subjectivity on their side where they're like, well, you're a little reckless here. You took too much risk here. And so it's just like, okay, like, subjective, I guess. But they decide that. They're the arbiters of that. So it's kind of like hard to know exactly if you're going to get your payout or not. So I'm kind of like sitting on my paws, wondering if I'm going to pay out. But from what I believe, from my trading, I don't think I broke any of the rules, right? There's essentially like 3 rules you have to think about. Well, not even, because one of the rules is like they'll stop you before you can even request a payout. The 30% consistency rule, if you broke it, like you can't even request a payout. They'll stop you before you can request it, which is a good thing, right? Which is a good thing. So you don't waste your time requesting the payout, get denied, and have to start over. The one that they don't, which I wish they automatically stop you for pretty much all of them, or they give you like a checklist on their website saying, hey, like these are all the things you did, or like you still didn't break this, or blah blah blah. I guess the thing about the negative 30% consistency rule, they can't do that because they actually have to deny you. They like need to deny you so you can get rid of that ding, and so you can keep trading and basically get basically restart your trading days. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know. So the only rules that I can think of that I could have broken was the negative 30% consistency rule, which I know I didn't break. If they hold to their rules, which is you can't have one trade that goes over the 30% of your account balance at the start of the day. Like one trade drawdown cannot be more than that. And I traded very conservatively. I traded these accounts very conservatively, as in like I didn't risk too much on any trade. I might have lost a lot in a row, but I did not risk a lot on any trade. So like the most I might have lost was $1,000. And with my account balances, like $1,000 is fine. Especially I'm up 10,000 now. So it's yeah, I wish negative 30% consistency rule. I wish they treated it like the 30% consistency rule. I kind of wish they did, where one day's losses can't be more than 30%, I guess, which kind of sucks too, I guess. I don't know. Like, I don't know. Honestly, Apex rules are all over the place, but for me, I feel like I shouldn't have broke any rules, but all in all, like if I didn't break the negative 30% consistency rule, I don't know what rule I could have possibly have broken. So I'm expecting to get paid out. And I just need one more $100 scalp here to get payouts on the rest of my 5 accounts. I have 5 accounts that hasn't reached the 30% consistency rule. What I mean by that is that there was one day I made like $3,179. I made $3,179 last week on Thursday. That divided by 0.3 is 10,596. So you can see that I have like a couple accounts under 10,596. So those accounts now, like I need to get them above 10,596 in order to request a payout. This is just flying up. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna buy here. Like, don't judge me, please. I think I'm just gonna buy here. I'm a buyer. Get to the top of the trading range, overnight highs. Like, I just want to buy. Just get my 100 point scalp out of the way. And it's a decent buy, strong bull bar. Like, you can get a 10-point scalp from that pretty easily, in my opinion. Strong bull bar. Ending near its high. 5-minute chart. Gold. You know what? Let me try a gold trade. I think gold. Let me try a gold trade here. I think this gold trade might be good. It's OI pattern on gold. I think gold is good here. 1, 2, 3 pushes up. We'll see. Diversify a little bit, you know what I mean? Let's see if gold, if I can get a nice push up here. Oh, eye pattern. Let's see. Don't fail me now, gold. Okay, we're in a gold trade. Oh, let's make some bamboo. Gold is plummeting the moment it triggered this high. It broke this inside bar. It is plummeting here. Golly. The moment it triggers, it just like plummets, which is not a good sign. It's never a good sign the moment something triggers and it just reverses on you. That's like never a good thing. The moment you enter a trade and it reverses on you, that's like, it's not a good thing ever. It's really never a good thing. I don't see a scenario where that's actually something you want to happen. Like, oh, the moment I enter, the trade reverses. Like, it is not what you want. Unless you like scaling in along the way down. Let's see if gold, if we can get something here. Something nice. Okay, a little pop up here. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, eye pattern. Looking for a new high here if we can get it. Maybe not. Just hold. If it's not a nice strong bull bar, I don't know if I like it. I like a nice strong bull bar here.
2,500 tick trap.
Trying to get a scalp on gold. We start the day with a spike in channel. Deep pullback. Oh, eye pattern to the upside.
2,500 tick trap.
2,500 tick trap, eh? Okay, with a strong bull bar, I like this trade. We'll hold it. That's what we want to see, a strong bull bar. Almost look for a 1-to-1 if it's a strong bull bar, like a very strong bull bar. My 1-to-1's way up here. Let's see. Gold trade. Nascraq is still flying. Nascraq's still flying. Gold trade's looking good. Solid bull bar. This confirmation that this should make a 1-to-1 in my opinion. I think. It's a really strong bull bar. Like, you want to like let this keep going up if you can. Golly. Missed my target by like a tick. A tick or two. If it reverses here, it reverses. It is what it is. But golly, when you get a strong bull bar like this, you're thinking a little bit of follow through. Maybe not. A little bit of follow through here. I want to see the next candle. I want to see if it's like a follow through bar. We got two bull bars in a row. You got an inside bar, strong bull bar ending on its high. Like, everything about this screams continuation, but I guess my main objective is just to get the payout, huh? Let's see if I can just get the payout here. Not trade price action. I just want to get the payout.
Target filled.
All right. We're up 680, pandas. I mean, Nascraq is flying right now. We're at the top of a potential trading range. Like from the overnight lows to the overnight highs, we basically hit the top to the bottom, like big up, big down, big up. And this can continue to go sideways. The 5-minute bar looks very bullish. Right? We got 3 bull bars in a row. Now that's like the 15-minute candle, and there's follow through in the 15-minute candle. I don't know. I mean, maybe the market wants to fly back up. There is a gap that hasn't filled over here, if you remember. There is an actual gap that didn't fill. It missed it by 2 points. Let me zoom in here. On the regular trading hours yesterday, we tried to fill this gap, and we missed it by exactly 2 points. We missed filling that gap by 2 points. It could try to fill it today. I don't know. With a move this strong back up, it just seems it's possible. We are bouncing off the top, the overnight highs. Panda's like, right now I'm in a little bit of a dilemma because I am in payout city on all my accounts. Like, I don't have much more reason to trade today. I just need to protect my bamboo. So
2,500 tick trap.
I don't know. Is it worth even me trading, continue trade here? Like, for me, I'd rather get my payout. That's more important to me. Right? I like... you can be mad at me for wanting to secure a $55,000 payout. You can be mad at me for wanting to secure a $55,000 payout. You can be mad at me, sure. Like, you can be mad at me, but I am living in real life here, and $55,000 goes a long ways for me. I don't know about you, but $55,000 goes a long ways for me, and I don't know if it goes a long ways for you, but Tate says, "Panda, you've changed. Why would you ever? Why would you actually ever try to get a payout? You should just worry about content all the time. That's the only thing you should worry about." So now we're in a place where all my accounts are able to get paid out, and and today I'm going to yeah, I'm chill. I'm chilling. I'm hanging out. I'm hanging out now. Let's see. I mean, I could jump to sim. We can jump to sim. The thing about sim is just like, you can never really trade it seriously. I don't know. I can't. I have a hard time trading sim seriously. Monster bull bars on the 5-minute chart. Very, very rarely do we get a move like this, where we get strong bull bars all ending on their highs with follow through. Like, always in long. Like, that just hasn't happened in a long time, and we're just getting it right off the bat. Like, it's just very hard to predict when the always in long will start happening. But this is just like bull bar after bull bar after bull bar, and they're strong and ending on their highs. So I'm just saying, like, you don't go short against this right now. And it's rare that the market opens like this. Everyone says take the payout and run. I appreciate it. I'm like, you guys are thinking as if you were me. Actually, what would you do if you were in my situation? What would you do? You would just say, hey, I want to get my payout. I want to get $55,000. I would like a brand new Corvette. Sure, I would like to buy a brand new Corvette. Why not? Why not? All cash. Think about it. Turtles here. I'll shut it down for you, Panda. If my computer automatically shut off right now, I'll be a little worried. I'll be a little scared. But this is flying now. Like, you're just buying anything. Always in long here. I don't know. Should I just trade all my accounts? Should I just trade all my accounts? Just keep making bamboo. Should I just trade all my accounts now? Go back to all my accounts and just trade regularly? Luis says no. Like, what if today is today is a good day to trade? I'll tell you that. Like the price action, this is not common. Like when you get price action like this, you want to trade. You want to trade on days like today, where it looks like this. This is exactly the day you want to trade. Golly, I'm tempted. TPT accounts actually. You know what, TPT accounts? That does make sense. TPT accounts. Oh my gosh. Question is, do I have any TPT accounts right now? I'm so focused on. I've been so focused on okay. Okay. Give me a second here.
2,500 tick trap.
I'll jump on TPT. But they're not funded. It'll be they'll be evals.
$2,500 tick trap.
Gotta let them set up a little bit. Take some time. Goodness gracious, these take a long time to reset. We'll jump on TPT. I gotta reset some accounts. All right, here we go. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know why it's taking so long. They're showing up. They're showing up on my trade bait. Okay, I got them. Here we go. Let's party.
2,500 tick trap.
All right, give me a second here. Give me a second here. All right. Let's rock and roll here. We're trading TPT here. So we're in payout season on all our accounts for Apex. My goal is 4,500 today. Let's make 4,500. We gotta make 4,500. The market is just absolutely just flying right now. Like, you want to wait for a pullback, but I don't know if you're ever gonna get one. We're hitting the previous week's high now. Gold. Goodness gracious. I took my profits on gold at the most perfect time. It actually folded the next bar. It's actually diabolical. I mean, I'm looking to go long, but probably after a pullback. And even if I do go long here, I can just keep scaling in. I think I'll be fine. It's one of those rare days where the market decides where it wants to go early on. It's very rare for that to happen. Very rare. We're in this monster uptrend right now. Got news in 6 minutes? We do? I don't know. I thought all news is basically halted because we have government shutdown. Apparently we have CPI tomorrow, but I don't know. Like, can we even get that number because of the government shutdown? Okay, pull back here. You're almost looking for any reason to buy because any pullback at this point will probably be small. Like, that is a monster breakout. This is like, you gotta look at this breakout and see that you really haven't had price action like this in a long time. And so whatever happens, you're probably gonna get another leg up here. And we can scale in knowing that. We can scale in knowing we'll probably get another leg up, but we shall see. Lots of bear bars in a row right now. Any pullback here will probably be small. I could try. Even though it's beneath the 20 MA, any pullback here will probably be small, so let's try. And it will scale in once or twice. We're on TPT accounts, pandas. Our goal right now is to make 4,500. $4,500. Is it possible?
2,500 tick trap.
And I'm going to scale in as many times as I need here. No reason to scale in because, look, basically if we scale in here, it's the exact same spot where we entered our first entry, our first position here.
$2,500 tick trap.
On the 5 minute, it didn't even, we're still on one leg up here on the 5 minute chart. So sick. Okay. Maybe double topping here. The nice thing about TPT evals, and this is for evals only, is that it's end of day drawdown. So I can like swing very comfortably with TPT evals. Could be double top. Maybe a reversal pattern here. I just really doubt it. This move up was so strong. Like, you need one more leg up, in my opinion. If we don't have another leg up, it's just going to be kind of like... It's going to be a little strange to me. But who knows? It can reverse here. It can A-top. Why not? Anything's possible when it comes to trading, to be honest. I remember there was one time there was like 100-point slippage. It was like 100-point slippage. Like in an instant, the market moved like 100 points on the E-mini. It was like I forget what it was, but I think it was some news. It was like CPI or it was some FOMC, but some news triggered like 100-point slippage. It was crazy. Maybe not 100 points. It was like 100-point candle on the E-mini, something like that. But the slippage would have been like insane. I also remember one time when Trump got COVID in his presidency and the market just plummeted like a rock.
$2,500 tick trap.
Let's go a little bit heavy here. Let's see. Honestly, second entry long here. What's that? 7 contract, 7, 8. Let's go heavy here. Let's see. What just happened? Not sure. Second entry long. We need to make like 4K today. 4.5 is the most we can make. And I'm making a weird contract amount. 13 contracts. So that's 2K. I think here will be about 4.5. Or it takes me a break even. Okay, strong bull bar, ending on high. That's a good sign for me. This retracement's not good. No follow through. Again, that's never a good thing. It might take me a break even here before really moving.
2,500 tick trap.
Darn it. All right, I need a 15 contract trade. Okay, 15 points. Almost made my 15 points. Like, you never want to see a breakout and reverse like that. Like, it just means trading range starting to develop. It's never a good sign. Let's push down. Needs a new low. Quite a strong move back down. Not sure what to make of this. I think it's gonna keep going up, but it's obviously wants some sort of reversal pattern here near the bottom. Confusing. We're up like 2,000 some dollars. We're up 3,000 at one point. It's a shame though. The 2,500 tick second entry long does not work out. It is floating in midair though. Yikes. Interesting. Okay. Let this be a lesson to you. Even if we have as many bull bars as you want, you can always have a deep pullback. I still think it needs one more leg up. Call me crazy. Bear bar ending on is low. Wow. Okay. Wedge bottom now. On support after a strong big push up. But look at this. Look at this bar. Bear bar is ending near its low beneath the pivot. At a potential reversal spot, which is the previous week's high. Creating a double top from here. Mm-hmm. 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 All right, thoughts and prayers here. Let's see if we get some bamboo. Okay. I'm gonna try. Let's just get in a little early. I think we're okay here. Oh, a little too, way too early. Way too early. It's never a good sign. A little too early, in my opinion. Okay. Pushing up. I might bust my accounts here. You know what? We're going for the glory here. We could not trigger the reversal here. I thought we were gonna trigger. We were hanging out here in the last couple ticks and had a deep reversal. That's funny. Had like a deep reversal. Golly, I mean, jeez Louise. Whatever. I hate doing this. All right. One more attempt here. We'll just have some fun. Like I don't know if I'm gonna try to. I'm not sure if I want to hit my like the 4,500 goal here. I don't know. I feel like I'm like putting too much pressure on myself. 4,500 goal. All right, we're chilling here. We're chilling. give it like let me see. It just goes to show, no matter how strong the move up is in the beginning of the day, there's always a chance for a reversal, and this is exactly what we're seeing. And I think it's even stronger when you hit some key area like the previous week's high. All right. Oh, now we get the reversal up. Golly, after a big push down. 1, 2, 3. To me, it seems odd if we don't get another push up here. To me, it seems a little odd if we don't get another push up. We had like an amazing start of the day, and then it became kind of disgusting. And it's like, I'm not really going long here underneath the 20 EMA like this, you know what I mean? It's hard for me to go long there. This pullback is deep enough where it kind of makes you scratch your head and wonder, are we just reversing straight up now? If I had to create a trading range, this is how it would look like currently. If I had to create one. Something like this. Maybe I should crank it one more time. Crank it just one more time. I don't know about you guys, but I watch anime every once in a while. I not as much as I used to, but I I watch some anime. And the newest season of One Punch Man just came out. It is the animation is so chopped. It's insufferable. It's like, how did they go from season 1 to where they are now? It's just it should be a crime because the animation is just it looks like a fifth grader drew the drawings. Like, I don't know if you watched the latest season, but I hear the story is actually kind of decent now, but the drawings, oh my gosh, like it is comical how bad it is. I don't know, like if yeah, it's almost like yeah, I don't know. I don't know. It's even worth watching. I got a second entry long here. Let's see if we get something nice. Lots of overlapping bars here. Let's see. I mean, whoa! I guess the market didn't like One Punch Man. What is going on? Was not expecting that drop, actually. Interesting. Maybe bearish, more bearish than it looks. Day Trader says NBA are scammers. NBA coach and players on federal charges. MAGA is fighting crime. What's going on? NBA scam. FBI holds press conference on arrest of NBA stars. Illegal gambling. Oh, of course. $18 former NBA players accused in multi-million-dollar health what? Health benefits plan? Wait, what? What am I looking at? No, that's not it. Holds press conference on the rest of NBA stars. Miami Heat's Rozier Trailblazers Billups arrested. Okay, cool. One Punch Man is more interesting than that. I'm sorry. What a surprise. When there's money involved, seriously. Ironically speaking, when there's money involved, of course they're scamming. Ironically speaking, I guess. But the thing is, you guys have seen every trade. Like, there's no funny business going on here. Absolutely none. BPCF says, I watched One Punch, it looked fine to me. So is the market scammy? Like 100%. 100% is manipulated. 100%. But does it affect us? I don't know. Like, if you're not good at trading, like, can you really, like, especially day trading, like, is your day trading, like, really affected by a scam or not? Like, seriously. Okay, keeps pushing down. I mean, I thought we were going to have one more leg up. This big pusher warranted one more leg up to me, but I guess not. Got the H pattern here. Pushing down. I mean, full-blown reversal. What can I say? We might have found our trading range here. In fact, all of this price action is hinting that trading range is about to happen soon. Right, this chop here. I guess I caught the move early on and didn't get chopped up, which is really good. I was able to take advantage of my $600 gain and just be happy with it. Gold, goodness gracious, gold got choppy. We didn't even make a one-to-one on this OI pattern. You know what? We did make a one-to-one. We made just a one-to-one, and then it's reversing now after making the one-to-one on the OI 5-minute chart. What a coincidence. I mean, are we going short? What's going on here? Yesterday, a massive put order came in, and then Trump posted on True Social, dude made like 100 million. Yep, that sounds about right. BPCF actually has the edge of the market. Just wait for a tweet from Trump and put it all in. Okay, but buying that many puts to make 100 million, that's pretty scary. That's pretty scary stuff. Like, I don't have that kind of capital. Maybe I could turn like $1,000 to like $100,000, like 100x. That means like you have to buy a put at a penny and sell it for $1. That's like very, very unheard of. That's winning the lottery pretty much. You 100x. What's my move here? I mean, I guess I'm trying to go short, but I don't know. We hit about the 50% retracement on this leg up, and now we're bouncing off the 50% retracement. I think there is like a trader out there who literally, that's Trader Kane. That's like literally all he does. He looks for a big move, a 50% retracement, and then looks for another 50% retracement going the original direction. So big push up, looks for the 50% retracement, more or less here, and then looks for another move from here to here for another 50%, and that's all they do. They scalp that. That's their setup. It's kind of a, I don't know, like if I love that setup, but I think price action is more important, right? When you see a big move, like you guys, in order for that to happen, it needs to be choppy. Essentially, you need a lot of retracement, like a lot of retracements. Like you do not want to do that. Like, actually, I don't know. I don't know. Feels like I just short. I might as well take. I might as well try. Feels like I just short here. Feels like I just short to the top of the trading range if we can get it, but we don't trigger the second just short to trigger the fail second just short. So we're just hanging out here right now. Top of the trading range, which is what I thought was going to happen, but we didn't get our setup, which is what I wanted. Kringle? ES Futures changed his name. Kringle changed your name, or it's another Kringle. I don't know. Good morning. Good morning. Market just doing its thing, going up and down, up and down. Absolute trash. Here's another cat. Ooh, hello. Hello? Market crashed. That was strange. I need to reload my historical because it paused. I got delay. This is why I said we most likely need another leg up here. It took a sweet time to make it, though. It really took a sweet time to make this another leg up. To the point where I feel like now it's going to turn to a trading range. Wild price action right now. It looks like a trading rangey type situation right now. But you get a breakout retest with lots of overlapping bars here. And the second entry long, I mean, this could pop off, but you got to notice you got this many overlapping bars in a row. Just sitting on my pause is probably the best thing to do here. When you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 overlapping bars in a row, most likely create its own little small trading range here. Like, if I had to guess, like, I'm thinking trading range of some sort starting to develop right here. If I had to make a guess, because this pullback was so disgustingly grindy, lots of bare bars, I don't know, I just feels like it needs a... It looks more like a trading range here, right? When you get all these overlapping bars like this, when it looks like this, like you're thinking more likely trading range of some sort. Otherwise, you'd probably have like nice clean moves like this. When you have clean moves like this is when you're feeling low. This is probably not going to turn to trading range. Then it starts to chop like this. Then you're like, okay. Trading range probably ensuing here somewhere. Like I said, like you could have gone long there, but most likely create its own little small trading range here. That many overlapping bars. And they're not even slightly overlapping. They're absolutely overlapping here. Creating its own little small trading range. I mean, the market got chopped. The market's chopped now. Let's see. Let's have some fun. Let's play this little trading range. Let's see if we can make some bamboo here. Okay, we're in. Knowing we're in trading range, can we take advantage of the fact that we know this? You'd want it to move up a little more than that. So many overlapping bars. It's crazy. Hello. Okay. Trading range might be smaller than I thought. It might just really be here, like this. Tiny trading range here. Oh well, let's see what happens.
5-minute trap.
We'll just see how high this goes. Why not?
Five-minute trap.
Oh, we broke this high. I'll just take it on the next reversal down. How about that? Okay, I'll take it. 915. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Like I said, let's just play this trading range, see what happens. People still in this trading range here. Selling the top, right? The moment we broke this high, people sold as well. And that's the type of day we're having, huh? That's the type of day we're having. Big pop up here. Makes sense. It makes sense. I was thinking about going long, but I was scared it might come back to the trading range. That's diabolical. It actually takes me up. I guess it did push down again. It makes a new high, finally. You know what? I'm going to short here. Forget it. I'm going short here. This trading range is diabolical enough. We're gonna see if we can go short here and get another leg down. It's been trading rangey enough for me. You know what I mean? Let's test our resolve on the fact that we know this is a trading range. Shall we test our resolve here? Test your might. Did you think about your payout strategy? Yeah. This payout, I'm going to do max payout. And then after this payout, since like now that our accounts are so high, I'm going to maybe just pay out anything above 10,000. So I can give myself a buffer still, like a nice little buffer. That's the plan at least. Who knows though? Really, who knows? Anything can happen. Like, is it certain that we're in a trading range or no? We may not be in a trading range, actually. This might be a breakout here. We may be doing something very silly. In fact, I know we're doing something very silly here. I may just like... I might just take my losses here. Because it's a strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Very strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. I almost just want to go long. Like, this could break out right now. This could be big pain for me. I don't know. Should I go long? Ooh, hello. Oh, come back! Come back! No! No! Come back! I had my chance to get out. I had my chance to get out with that little slipperoo. I had my chance to get out with that little slipperoo, you know what I mean? The market actually got me out to come out break even plus a little bit more. I actually had a chance to get out, my God. My stop was too far away. My target was too far away. Are we gonna even get here now? Should I get greedy? Another chance to get out break even. Another chance to get out break even. So silly. So silly right now. I'm being so silly. Several chances to come out break even, yet I'm still like gonna take the L here. Go long here. I don't know if I want to go long necessarily. Probably come back to a 20 MA before I really go long. Ooh, hello. Very confusing. I'm chopped, huh? I will lose this trade. Alright. Wow, it takes me out perfectly, break even, whatever. It was a small trade, though. Yeah, okay. Alright, last trade of the stream. Here we go. Give me a nice bull bar on the 5-minute chart, and I'll just go long. Thinking we're going to fill the gap here. Golly, look at that. It took me out perfectly, huh? Has several chances to come out break even. Several chances to come out break even here. But the big down, big up, right? Big up, big down, big up. Makes me feel like this is more like a trading range than anything. This is why I started going short up here, but the 2 bull bars on the 5-minute chart scared me. All right, last trade of the stream. Here we go. Let's try. Shall we try here? Could have came out break even again if it didn't diabolically take me out. Look at that. I called that trading range. I called that scalp. I absolutely called that scalp. It took me out so insanely perfectly. It tick-shotted me. You know what? I don't even know why my stop loss was right there. That's wild. It's funny. It's comical. Whatever. Whatever. I'm a 550. I'm happy with my gains. Golly. Yeah, I think my payout strategy is because my goal right now is to make $1 million. I need a strong buffer. I need a strong buffer because I'm gonna have some bad days along the way. Like I'm projecting it's gonna take probably half a year to make $1 million. That's what I'm thinking. Half a year to make $1 million, and half a year of trading. That's what 6 times 20. That's 120 days of trading, and within those 120 days, we're gonna have a lot of rough spots, and I gotta prepare for that. So the $10,000 buffer is to help me get through those tough times. But hopefully, you know, if I can, I would prefer to be able to, you know, make enough money where I can pull out max payouts and still be above 10K. You know what I mean, pandas? Like that's the dream right there. Isn't it? Is that not the dream right there? I don't know. I think that's the dream right there. Oh. Feels like entry low. I'm not interested though. That's the dream, right? To be able to pull out max but still be above your buffer. That's what I'm thinking. Ooh, nice little push down. Getting wild right now. The market's kind of lost its mind. Something's wrong here. We closed here and we opened here. If that is an accurate candle, we had a 10-point slippage out of nowhere for no reason. 10-point slippage for no reason right there. But the chances of that happening, like every 8 days to be above. Whoa. It's flying now. This is absolutely skyrocketing. I'm reloading historical because there's a huge slippage here, and I don't know if that's a real slippage. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's not real slippage. At a certain point in time, I need to buy, but this big up, big down is making me not want to trade any breakouts right now. Strong bull bar on the 2500 tick chart. The 5 minutes like alternating bars, which is why it's hard for me just to go long, even though we're in an uptrend. Quite a strong uptrend as well. We haven't actually touched the 20 EMA yet, which actually shows how strong this uptrend is. This breakout right now. E-mini, all right. Big up, big down. Gold literally chopping around forever. But gold might break out now. You can tell the 20 EMA is acting as support. Huh. OII pattern. All right. Eager to go long here. Gold might make a move soon. The timing is just right for gold to break out now. Overshoot to undershoot. All right. I might end it here. I don't really love anything here. I really don't love anything here. We're now creating a channel, a broad channel, and broad channels are honestly they're like trading ranges except slanted. So it's not the best environment to trade right now. You still got these big up, big downs, or you got a lot of deep retracements. The only way to really trade, like for a swing trade, is to buy near the bottom now at this point, in my opinion. And that could take a long time to get there. It could take 3 hours until we hit the bottom of this channel. It could take 5 minutes. Who knows? Question is it worth waiting for? Last trade. One more trade here. I'm near I'm by the near the bottom of this. It's a broad channel. Crimson Demon asks, Panda, if you reach 1 million, are you going to get a panda pet in your big garden of your big house? Why would I buy one of my own kind? That's me. It's just me rolling around my house then. If I make 1 million, I'm always for using your money. Like I'm a believer in either your money is a liability. Every purchase you make is either a liability or an asset. I'm a believer in that. And so for me, like I want to use all my money to help propagate to make more money. That's where I feel like my money. So a lot of this money that I make in trading, like I've used it basically to open businesses and buy assets for myself and for my family. So it's like all the money that I make, I try to put it in something that will grow over time. And I like assets. I don't know if I necessarily like stocks to be frank, because stocks at the end are just to me virtually it's just cash, it's money. And who knows how valuable money will be? Who knows how valuable money will actually be later? You just don't know. But things like gold, always valuable. Real estate, always valuable. Businesses, depending on the business, of course. Every business is different. Could be valuable. Make a better Corvette. The Corvette was probably the most depreciating asset that I bought with my money. I bought that cash. The first max payout I got with the 150K accounts was $55,000. That was earlier this year, and I bought a Corvette for Papa Panda. And you know what? It's a depreciating asset in terms of monetary value, but in terms of happiness, it is paying its dividends. Papa Panda loves driving. Loves driving the vet. Um, is this low enough for me? I don't think so. We can do better, right? We can do better than that. We can get lower. I think we can find a better value than this. Let's get there. Let's get there. Absolutely, let's get there. I think we can do better than this. I think we can get a little bit lower than this. Okay. Can it get lower? Maybe not. Maybe that's the lowest it can go. But if I'm going to go all in, it's going to be perfect. It has to be a perfect setup for me. Can't be this like half okay C, like a C minus setup here. There we go. That's what I was looking for. That's what I was looking for. Can it get lower than that? Can it get lower than that, pandas? Can it get lower than this? I think so. A little bit lower. Okay. I'm ready. I am ready now. Thoughts and prayers. I am ready. Last trade of the stream. Here we go. It's going to be a wild one. Top of a trading range. All right, thoughts and prayers. Here we go. Can we get it? Can we get it? Can we get it, pandas? I think it's... Ooh! Ooh! Almost. Can we get it?
Target filled.
Easy peasy. Easy capeasy. I actually gotta lose a little money right now because it's actually gonna make it difficult for me. Let me just like grind it down. Open, close, open, close. Let me do 5 at a time. I gotta lose 500. Buy, sell, buy, sell. Micro scalps. Here we go. Whoops. I gotta lose 500 now. It's always fun trying to lose money. I have to lose 500. I have to try to lose 500. Okay. That's the opposite of losing 500.
Target filled.
Okay. I gotta lose
5-minute
500.
trap.
I'm gonna go short against this. I have to be at 4,500. So I have to lose like 1,000 now. Sorry, I'm eating a donut.
Five-minute trap.
Oh, that's pretty good. Now I lost too much money. I lost a little too much money. What am I doing? What am I doing in my life? 4,000. You know what? What are the commissions on these? What's the commission on these? Virtually no commissions. All right, let me make a little more money. Let me make a little bit more money here. Darn it. Make a little bit of money here. I want to make like 500. Okay, or I could lose like 2,000. Whatever. 600, 825, or lose like 2,000. Why not? Pandas, it's happening.
$2,500 tick trap.
Let's see if we get some bamboo here.
Target filled.
I'm not sure what's happening here. You know what? You know what? You know what? A chicken butt. I need about 2.5K. What's 2.5K? How many points is that?
$2,500 tick trap.
This is how much money I need. Yikes. Trading range. We bounced off the middle of the trading range now and came back up to the top, which could lead to a breakout, but this is not looking strong. Looks very choppy. It can certainly lead to a breakout. Certainly. You know why? Chicken pie. Chicken thigh? Chicken butt, chicken thigh? You know why chicken thigh? Guess what? Chicken butt. Guess why? Chicken thigh. Guess who? Chicken poo. Guess how? Chicken brow. What am I saying right now? What am I saying right now? I've lost it. I've absolutely lost it. I'm just trying to get in a trade, and I'm just trying to go with the direction of the trend right now. But is it the best thing to do? Probably not. This is looking really weird. It's building a pressure to break out, in my opinion, but it's taking its sweet time. It's really taking its sweet time. I need like $2,000. I need a I need a 8.25 point move. Okay. Is it time? Keeps showing signs it's about to break out. Kind of snaps back down. Laofi Kata says I should take a break. I'm up $2,000. Why would I ever take a break? I'm absolutely killing it. Pandas, the most important thing is I'm getting payouts. That's the most important thing. All my accounts are over $10,000 profits. And I'm waiting for their Apex response to see if I am approved. And if I'm not approved, guess what? Then we're going to have to trade another 8 trading days to get my payout. I may take it slow because all you need is $50 or more for 5 days out of the 8. And you can scalp, you can just flip the rest. Just so I can secure my payout before really continuing the journey here to $1 million. Well, let's see. I don't know. I mean, if the day is good, then we can, then we can just trade normally. But we gotta pick and choose our days. Like today, like this became absolute trash. After the initial strong move up, it became absolute trash. Surprisingly, has not yet touched the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Surprisingly. All right, here we go. Thoughts and prayers. Like the 5-minute, if you really want to talk about something like consistent, bull, bear, bull, bear, bull, bear, bull, bear. I wonder what the next bar is going to be after this one. You know what I mean? I wonder what the next bar is going to be after this one. You know what I mean? If I had to take a guess, if I had to take an educated guess, If I just had to take an educated guess, what would it be? All right, thoughts and prayers. Here we go. Going long at the top of a trading range just means you've lost your mind. Going long at the top of a trading range just lost your mind.
2500 tick trap.
Possibly the most obvious short to take ever.
2500 tick trap.
Maybe making its way to the 20 EMA now on the 5-minute chart. Still needs to be tested here. Okay. Oh, I pattern breaks to the downside, but in absolute chop, like way too choppy. Clear target, which is the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart, in my opinion. Clear target. Still fun to trade, though, no? Still pretty fun to trade. They're still here. With small enough size, you could really do whatever you want here. With small enough size, you can just scale in and just have a grand old time. Dare I assume we're going to have a bull bar this next bar? Dare I assume it? Dare I assume we're going to have a bull bar on our next bar here? Dare I assume it? I mean, this is choppy for sure. If I wasn't trading, if I haven't already made my payouts, I would have stopped a long time ago. I mean, if I wasn't doing the evals right now, I would have stopped a long time ago. This is not tradable, in my opinion.
$2,500 tick trap.
All right, pandas. Here we go. I'm really glad I made my bamboo early today because the price action became absolutely diabolical. Absolutely diabolical afterwards. Do I reverse this, pandas? I may reverse this. We'll see. Ayo! 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 Whoa. That's not good. That's usually a bad sign. Hold? I think? Ayo! Golly. What a retracement. What a diabolical retracement for no reason. We can't get it. We just can't seem to get it. I'm coming out break even on this trade, aren't I? Ayo! Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Ayo! Well, oh my goodness. It simply cannot do it. It can't do it. Ayo! Wow, it's having the hardest freaking time reaching my goal, which is so diabolically ridiculous. Golly.
Target
Oh
failed.
my goodness, how painful was that? Hey-yo! How painful was that, Pandas? Like, it missed my target so many times. I can make like 100 more here. We'll take one more scalp and
2,500
we'll end
tick
it
trap.
today. Strong bear bar, ending on its low, sell. Could be bought up. Ooh, like I thought. Just like I thought. What am I doing? What am I doing? I mean, I gotta do it. I gotta do it. I'm sorry. I just have to try. I have to try here. I'm sorry. Looking for 5 points here. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. If it doesn't do it, doesn't do it, but goodness gracious. If it doesn't do it, it just doesn't do it, but golly. If I lose this, I think I'm gonna end it here. Why do I sense something die? Oh. Oh. Huh? Hey. What's that? What's that nonsense? There
Target
it is.
filled.
Easy. Easy. Ayo! Okay, we made our 4.5K. Just another day's work on this channel. Easy peasy. the thing about this is that we got to do it again tomorrow. We got to do it again tomorrow, pandas. We do have news tomorrow, so we may be able to get away with it. We have news tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. But I don't know if it's even gonna come out because it's a government report. So, I mean, is it gonna come out? The answer is actually no. It's not gonna come out because we're still shut down. So, I just don't know. But tomorrow we got to make another 4,500, and that will get us to funded accounts on TPT. So it is what it is. I mean, we just got to do it. We got no other choice. And tomorrow's the day. So we got to try. Pandas! I hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. We made our bamboo. Most important thing really is our Apex accounts, making the payouts, and our accounts are looking great. You know, if I do get paid out here, my accounts are going to go down to what? My lowest account will be 57,521, which is kind of comical because I can technically get another max payout as long as I, get 5 days or 50 days or more. So, yeah, I don't know. I just feel like we're in a good spot here. Another thing that's annoying about
2,500
this
tick trap.
is that you don't really want to trade these accounts. You don't want to trade them until basically you get the notice that that you will you got approved. You don't really want to trade them because of the fact that I need these accounts to be at this level in order for me to get the payout, right? Because I just hit my 30% consistency rule. I got my accounts high enough so I can do it. So it's like kind of annoying because now I can't really trade these accounts until a couple days, and maybe we'll have 1 or 2 good days in between where we really want to trade, but we just can't because we're just waiting for a payout. So another thing about Apex is kind of annoying where it takes like 2 or 3 days for the money to actually get. Like once it gets approved, then it's fine. No. Once it gets approved, once the money is out of your account, then it's fine. You can start trading. But it takes about 2 to 3 days. From my experience, it takes about. I've never seen it in 1 day. Right? They usually take 1 day to approve it, then maybe 1 day after that to actually take the money out. But hopefully by tomorrow we can trade these accounts, and yeah, we'll see. All right, pandas. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoy. Have an amazing rest of your day. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.